Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMade Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide the sheets on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to hide the sheet on your Google Sheet? I just going to show in this video how to hide the sheet on the Google Sheet web. So for an example, I just clicking on the first sheet one. It has some data. I just want to hide this sheet. So you just need to right click on the mouse and you will see an option called hide sheet. Click on this, the sheet has been hidden. The same process. For an example, I just want to hide this. Right click here, click on the hide sheet option, it will be hidden. Right click here, click on the hide sheet option, it will be hidden. This is how you just hide the sheets on your Google Sheet. So you can see all the sheets has been hidden. This is how you just easily hide the sheet. And if you have any common doubt about the Google Sheet on the web, you just comment below. I just create a video about it, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable Google Sheet content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day. Thank you for watching.